Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn to draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, colors name: blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A. A for apple, and here is blue color. B. B for ball. Kids, again use blue color and draw. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. Kids, again use blue color and draw. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for God. Kids, neither H. H for helicopter, and here is yellow color. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for king. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids, neither O. O for octopus, and here is red color. The alphabets of O. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Kids, again use red color and draw. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. U. U for umbrella. Kids, neither V. V for van, and here is black color. The alphabets of V. W. W for wallet. X. X for X-ray. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, and white color. Now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1, and use blue color. O and E1. 2. T W 2. 3. T H R W 3. 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Kids, night 6. The numbers of 6, and use yellow color. Yellow color. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. 10. T E and 10. Kids, neither 11. The numbers of 11, and use red color. Red color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16 and U is black color. 17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last numbers of 20. Colors name: kids, blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, and white color. Kids, now you draw alphabets, and first you draw A. A for aeroplane, and U is blue color. B for bus. C for car. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for doll. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, night or J for jackfruit, and hue is yellow color. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Kids, again use yellow color and draw N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, neither R for rose, and hue is red color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for uncle. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Kids, again use red color and draw Y for yak. Z for zebra. Kids, night or numbers, and first read of 1. The numbers of 1, and hue is black color. O N E 1, 2, T W 2, 3, T H R W 3, 4, F O U R 4, 5, F I V E 5, 6, S I X 6. Kids, again use black color and draw 7. S E V E and 7. 8, E I G H T 8. 9, M I N E 9. Kids, again use black color and draw 10. T E and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.